Hi, my name is Virat Feroz Patel and I'm going to play Mujhko Pehchano with Telebytes. June 1980. Gemini. Biru. There's another nickname, Giraffe. Yeah. I'm Barvi Pass, and then I went on to do my merchant navy training for 5 years on the ship. I sailed on oil tankers, and I ended up winning Mr. India in 2005, and since then I've been working in front of the camera. Will you hire me? No? Okay, fine. I'll try. My favorite food is this coconut curry which my mama makes. She just been staying with me in Bombay and I just love it. Sorry, I can't give you a visual of it, but trust me, it's very yummy. My favorite dessert has to be blueberry New York style cheesecake. White, blue and pink in that order. Pair of blue jeans that I'm wearing and a white t-shirt, simple white t-shirt. I think it's got to be Ranbir Kapoor. I like him a lot. Come on, quick. I mean, all of them are doing such great work. It's so difficult to put a pick on it. Alright, Rani Mukherjee and Priyanka Chopra because they crowned me when I won Mr. India. Yeah. Dream role. I think the most enigmatic role ever written in the history of writing for me, I think, is Krishna. And I seek to do adaptation of that character because I think it's very interesting. And if it's in Hollywood, I would love to play James Bond. But they said I don't look anything like James Bond. Damn it. First time I faced a camera, I think it was for this photograph my parents would take me for on my birthday. So I remember this visual that I must have been like 3-4 years old. So the culture was that every birthday my dad would dress me up in new clothes, and of course my mama would have given me a bath and put lots of talcum powder and neatened me up and said, "Jao iska photo lo." So every birthday my dad used to take me to a photo studio close to where we stay. It was called Color Photo Studio. It is still there in Pune on Main Street. If you ever go, have a look at it. And I would have to stand and just take a smiley picture. It was maybe that time ka selfie culture, but yeah, so every year I would take one photo and I would have some of these pictures in graduation, like when I was 4, when I was 5, when I was 6. Yeah. My first paycheck was as a DJ for about 500 rupees. I DJ'd when I was 18 for a New Year's Eve party, and I got paid 500 bucks for it. And that guy asked me, what am I going to do with this 500 bucks? I don't know, maybe I'm going to get that new pair of jeans. Yeah. My favorite pastime, I don't have a pastime actually, because time just passes by. I'm always doing so many things. But if I had to do a favorite pastime, I'd probably watch a documentary or listen to some music and watch a film at that time. Dudwala, dhobi, cook, wheeler dealer, some con man. I think, yeah, the fraudster. That's more like it. I mean, that's what I do. As actors, we lie very well. So if I was not hired to lie for the camera, then I'd probably be lying and be a scamster somewhere else. Yeah. Thank you. I just want to say thank you. It's a lot of times your love that picks me up when I'm feeling low, and it's a lot of times your love that humbles me when I'm feeling too airy-headed. So thanks for being there. I love you lots, and please be with me in this journey, and I promise to do my best to entertain you, and I'll see you on screen.